afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I thought it was cold out. It's not even cold out. Alright, so right now we're gonna go to my buddy Leica's shop, Alex Leica. We're gonna go put a plow on a 250. You guys can see that and how it gets done. So, I've actually never done it before. We're gonna find out if I can learn something. But, I just sneezed. But I'll see you guys there in a little bit. So. Gotta lock the truck. It's a little dirty. Gotta clean it. We got the boss man right here. Like got one arm bandit.
Ready for takeoff.
Oh!
What you do, guy?
Fat. I can't move. What's going on? Come on. Ugh, fucking seatbelt on my ass. We're 3 men deep in a single cab.
Not the funnest.
Oh. Let's see how this goes. Oh my god, he's not. Oh, hit the biker. Hit the biker. No, relax. Come on. Oh my god. Alright, I'm not bringing the camera there because it's fucking weird and Colin has one arm and he closed the door on me. I'm not. I can't. I just fucking go. Alright, old man Jenkins. Alright. What'd you just buy, your eye?
Huh?
What'd you just buy?
We bought cut-off torches. Actually, acetylene. Gauges, hose.
Harbor Freight. We're about to blow ourselves up, boys.
Whatever the hell.
We'll update in a minute. What the fuck's going on? Oh my god! Why did they not catch that?
Fucking drive.
Should have just hopped the curb.
No, you know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna back up into it. That's what we're gonna do.
What are we doing? What are we doing?
We're going through the drive-thru, bud.
Too many fucking. This dude's backing up in the drive-thru.
Yeah,
why? You're hitting something.
No, we're not.
Oh, they didn't like that at all.
Well.
Colin made me freak out. You have a record of hitting stuff in reverse.
No.
He didn't like that. He didn't like
Just
that at all.
2 vehicles, 1 person, 5 houses.
Don't put that. Yeah, I'll take the whole menu.
I can't hear you.
Alright, I'll do a number 9.
Medium or large?
Large. And that'll be a Dr. Pepper, no ice.
Give me a number 1 large with the Coke, please.
And then a number 1 large with a Coke.
I'm trying to fucking read. Trying to read what he wants. Doesn't know what he wants to eat.
Would that be it?
One more. Hold on.
Another Boar's ordering. Hold on.
A number 8 medium.
Medium?
Number 8 large.
Damn. Thanks. 1 McPussy.
Really?
What?
A McPussy.
You never had one?
Oh, stop. You make me nervous. He's not a bad driver, but he's psychotic. Explain.
Oh, not at all.
No, you?
No.
Come on, you're making him work too hard. Oh, she calls the shit in your face.
Oh, shit.
She said psych. Nah, she got. You know how mad she got that she put the
She
wrong
gave me
drink
4
in?
straws. She's a dumbass.
Bro, you literally just say large Coke.
Large
she
drink
gets
and a
medium, and then
large.
she gets angry.
Large everything.
Hard work, right?
Okay.
Oh, you fucked it right here.
Look at this. We're gonna eat like this. Why?
I'm good.
You want them?
No, I'm good.
Hey, whoa! I want to give you fries. You guys can see. That pain, bro. Oh, good. That's what we just bought. We're gonna go blow ourselves up. Go put the plowman on, boys. Bing! Alright, so if anyone doesn't know how to use acetylene, basically these are. What do these do? Like, I mean, I know what they do, but it's the viewers. Basically, if you need to cut some shit off your truck, these are torches, and they're like pretty powerful. But you gotta be careful because, Colin, what will happen if you're not careful with these things? Like, seriously.
Blow up.
Yeah, you'll die. So, acetylene and oxygen is pretty dangerous if you don't know what the hell you're doing. So, and obviously, we are trained professionals doing this. And if you ask yourself, have we done this before? Yeah.
The answer is yes.
Yes, yeah, the answer is yes. And,
Do we need these? No, do we need these?
oh yeah, just, okay. Okay, so Harbor Freight is looking, let me see this real quick.
Yeah,
Let's see how it's looking, Harbor. Not too shabby, not too shabby.
Not bad, not
a little
bad.
thin. So this is the most important part right here.
Oh fucking shit, they're banned.
Like fresh food. Oh, you know what I did?
You do what you want when you pop it. You do what you want when you cop it. You do what you want when you got it. Yeah.
So basically we're gonna, this bolt, you can't see it. There's a bolt in here for the plow mount and it's stuck on it. You cut that off, both sides, and then we're gonna mount the new plow there. You see the plow, he has a Western right now. He has a Western right now, that one. He's putting this hog on right here, this sweet boss right here. So if you want to see the plowing videos, I'm gonna be plowing with him and another buddy this winter, so make some noise. But yep, shot the.
They're both good. It's at what the level you want it at.
And make sure you guys are doing torches. The pressures are very important. So with this, usually you want to run around. You see that red number right there? This is the red right here. Going on 30 psi in oxygen. On 5 pump.
There. That's what you want.
Let go.
Bro, I gotta re-fucking cut that.
What? Listen, man, follow the channel. Subscribe, like, comment, say what up. The man himself. Titty Link. One of those things I certified, Colin.
This one's good up to 2028.
Okay, what's this one at?
This one, last certification was 1978.
No.
Oh, dude, that's a bad. Show that shit.
Show them the bolts.
So we gotta get this one and that guy.
See it. So
And then same on right there. Fuck.
here's the thing, Colin. Here's the thing. The bolts are stock. We don't know really how we're gonna get them out. We don't want to torch them off because that's like not the ideal thing to do. Stay, you guys.
To get closer to that, we'll still probably have to cut that off.
There's a bolt up
There's
there,
2 of them.
and you can't get to it anyway, and it's rounded off. Whoever put it on last fucking stripped it. So we have to literally cut this mount off.
the mount off.
Not the ideal way of how to put a plow on, but when once someone puts something on before you, like you did do it, this is usually what happens. Some bullshit like this. So that top bolt is stripped. You can't get to it. So instead of using a torch, do it like this. That one's loose.
This one is. I don't know about this shit.
Where did this go? Where did this go? Come on! Hey, you hey! What? Get that little thing off my tires right now! Get that little ween! Hey! Come on! You gotta don't piss on it! Come on! Listen, what do you think on the last vlog? Ow! Come on! Why do you have an axe in here? Okay. So this is how you guys do plows in Michigan, huh? Huh?
Should be good. Hey, this is for sale. Anyone wants it? $100 your best offer.
You sure? Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down and help him out because he's getting pissed, so. That's literally, this is living in Michigan as a pile of rust.
There was a wheel over here.
Yeah, we are retarded. If you guys like this style of video, let me know because these idiots, we do this a lot. So, I just never record it. But if you want to see more of it, let me know. Also, if you like the camera, this camera has a wide angle lens. You can see like up my nose. Alright, so the mount's not going on today. This should be a short little vlog. What happens when you buy a fucking Michigan truck that has a plow mount stuck on it? Because they like welded in there, we're pretty sure. So
It was on there when the truck was bought.
yeah, so he bought it with the mount on there. So it's Sunday. We have work tomorrow.
It's gonna be all like, wait, chicken, now.
Western sucks. Western sucks. it's gonna be like, oh, you should have just bought a non-broken plow and put it on there. Well, I run off boss plow, so yeah, I don't know. It sucks. We got one side of it off, but this side, I don't know what's hung up on here, or what happened. Been beat down for like an hour, so we're gonna get some food and go home. So why don't you like some videos? Like I said, I'm gonna beat your pipe. Come on, relax. Anyways, yeah, like, comment, subscribe, say what up, buy a sticker, you know, all that shit. The website's up in the description, so. Ow, f. On that note, my chin is gone, and we're out of here.